Alright, well, so we're going to party in the first half, but then when it comes to breaking down how to make the handle, I'm going to have to really show you how to do it, because if you do it wrong, you can fuck it up. I did it wrong the first time I did it, and I ended up completely fucking it. So let's do this shit, boys. Alright, so what I have right here is my first test axe. You can already see from the rivet that doesn't go all the way through, that's kind of messed up. That's my bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fucking cut off these rivets, and I know that the main problem I'm having is because this thing at the back, this piece right here, because it's so fat, it's causing problems. I need to grind it flat. I'm going to stick it in the vise and grind it down, and we're going to see how that does. Alright, always make sure you have proper eye, ear, and lung protection. It'll screw you up big time. This isn't proper eye protection, but I've been doing this long enough that I don't really need it at this point. I mean, I do need it, but I'm good enough that point is, do as I say, not as I do.
I'm trapped in a bubble. I'm having trouble getting it. It's so unfair. You were there. 'Cause I just wanna hold you tight, watch the clouds go by. When I see my friends again, I'll be okay. When we get together next, we'll celebrate. When I see my friends again, I'll be okay. When we get together next, we'll celebrate.
feel the breeze, and you're looking at me like I'm all that you need. When you hold my hand, I can barely stand. Turn me into sand, baby. I do not know where this will go, but I it will go into something beautiful. Give me real love.
Alright, so I sunk some 20D nails through the holes I drilled, and then I'm gonna cut them off about 2 millimeters from where they come out, and I'm gonna set them on the anvil on the back with the flat guy, with the flat surface down, to where the cutoff part is showing up, and I'm gonna take my ball peen hammer and I'm gonna peen it. Alright. So this is the finished axe. It's got rivets popped through it. I peened the rivets. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like in the like bar. I'm bad at this. This is my first actual YouTube build video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you share this with your friends. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. You guys didn't think I'd end this without testing it out, right? So here we go.